Namaste everyone, and welcome. A huge hello to all my beautiful sisters and handsome brothers tuning in today. So, you're starting your journey into the amazing Hindi language? And you want to learn the basics so you can start having real conversations? You've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to learn the essential names for the external parts of the body. By the end of this, you'll have a whole new set of vocabulary you can use every single day. It's a huge step in learning any language, and we're going to take it together. Ready? Let's do this. The head and face. Head.
सिर,
सिर,
Face.
चेहरा,
चेहरा,
Forehead.
माथा,
माथा,
Eyebrow.
भौंहा,
भौंह,
Eye.
आँख,
आँख,
Nose.
नाक,
नाक,
Lip.
होंठ,
होंठ,
Chin.
थोड़ी,
थोड़ी,
Ear.
कान,
कान,
Mouth.
मुंह,
मुंह,
Tongue.
जीभ,
जीभ,
Upper body. Neck.
गर्दन,
गर्दन,
Shoulder.
कंधा,
कंधा,
Chest.
छाती,
छाती,
Breast.
स्तन,
स्तन,
Abdomen.
पेट,
पेट,
Back.
पीठ,
पीठ,
Arms and hands. Arm.
बाह,
बाह,
Elbow.
कोहनी,
कोहनी,
Finger.
उंगली,
उंगली,
Hand.
हाथ,
हाथ,
Wrist.
कलाई,
कलाई,
Nail.
नाखून,
नाखून,
Lower body. Leg.
टांग,
टांग,
Thigh.
जांघ,
जांघ,
Knee.
घुटना,
घुटना,
Foot.
पैर,
पैर,
Ankle.
टखना,
टखना,
calf,
पिंडली,
पिंडली,
toes,
पैर की अंगुलियां,
पैर की अंगुलियां.
and that's a wrap. Can you believe how many words you've learned today? You learned Hindi words for your face, arms, legs, and so much more. This is a massive and important step on your Hindi learning journey. Don't worry if you can't remember all of them perfectly right away. That's totally normal. The key is to practice. Watch this video again, say the words out loud, and try using them. Point to your nose and say, naak. Touch your hair and say, ball. The more you do it, the more natural it'll feel. You should be really proud of yourself today. If you found this video helpful and you enjoyed learning with me, please give it a big like, so I know you want more lessons like this. Don't forget to share it with friends who are also learning Hindi. And most importantly, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next video. We have so much more to learn together. Thank you so much for joining me today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.